My hair is freshly washed and it's freshly deconditioned. I washed my hair yesterday and I let the deconditioner sit in overnight, so it's been in my hair for about a good 24 hours. So I just washed it out and this is what my hair is looking like. The curls, they're popping. They look gorgeous. But anyways, this video is about a sleek ponytail or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow dry my hair off camera. If you guys seen my silk press, my detailed silk press video, I go through the entire process of how I blow dry my hair. So I'll link that up in the cards below, or I'll link it in the description box. So I'm going to blow dry my hair and I'll be right back once my hair is blow dry. I already blow dried my hair and I also lightly pressed my hair. Now, what I mean when I say lightly pressed, I took my flat irons and I put them on the lowest setting possible, and I think it's 340. No, it's 300 and then it's 340. But my setting is on 340 because it go all the way up to 450. But mine is at the next lowest setting, which is 340. And I just lightly pressed my hair out. Now this is what my hair is looking like, but I wanted to show you guys what I meant when I say a light press. So this is my hair blow dry out, and as you guys can see, it's not really much of a difference from my my light press. Is not much of a difference from my hair blow dry out. I just wanted to get my roots just a little bit straight since we are doing a sleek ponytail. So I'm just going to go in and just show you. So this is my flat irons here. I really hope it beam in. Okay, it's not gonna beam in so that you guys can see it, but like I said, my temperature is set at 340. So we're just gonna go in and we're going to literally pass the flat irons through this once. And I'm looking down at my mirror, so that's literally what we're going to do. And I'm also taking bigger sections because when I do my silk press, my sections are way smaller than this. But in this instance, I'm taking bigger sections because again, this is just a light press. So this is my hair completely lightly pressed out. So I'm just gonna spin around so you guys can see. So it kind of still has like a blow dried look. It still has some texture to it. So this is what my hair is looking like. So it still looks, you know, like full or whatever. And if you guys seen my silk press video, you know what my how this is like still like poofy. You know what I mean? So this is why I say it's lightly silk pressed. So to achieve this sleek ponytail, the only thing you're going to need is some beeswax. You're going to need a nice parting comb or whatever, only if you're choosing to put a part into your ponytail. And you're going to need a nice bristle brush, and you're going to need a scrunchie. So for me, I think I want to do a center part, but I kind of want like a zigzag type of, yeah, I think I want like a zigzag type of ponytail. So to do that, I am just going to attempt to create some I'm gonna attempt to create, you know, some straight parts or whatever, but I really cannot see based off the angle of this mirror without putting it in the way of the camera. So we're just gonna roll with whatever it is we create. Okay, that looks straight. Did that look straight to y'all? It looks straight to me. Okay, so at this point, we're just going to switch over to a voiceover. So I'm just going to part my hair in sections just so that I can apply the beeswax more thoroughly. So yeah, it's just about parting your hair and applying the beeswax thoroughly. So you want to make sure when you apply the beeswax that you comb it through, brush it through, whatever it is, or whatever utensil, whatever. If you're using a comb or a brush, you want to make sure that you comb it through thoroughly and just continue to section off the hair, apply the beeswax, comb and brush it through. And that's pretty much what's going to be the foundation to making sure that everything is flat and nice and even. Now that we have that done, I'm just going to take some Got To Be Free spray and I'm going to apply that generously throughout my hair. I'm going to comb it through and then I'm just going to blow dry that with my blow dryer on a cool setting. So after we have our hair in place, I'm just going to take a elastic band. It's not a rubber band, but it kind of gives off the feeling of that, but it's not. It's like an elastic band that doesn't have the metal clasp. I don't know. I'll try to link it down below, but we're just going to tie our hair off. At this point, you want to take out any hair that you want to leave out. Me, I really don't have any baby hair or anything like that, so I'm not going to pull out much of anything because I don't have it. So I'm just going to pull out whatever comes. going to go ahead and we're going to braid our ponytail. So comb it out, make sure it's free. Oh, this actually look cute. This look cute. Come on, natural hair. Come on, natural pony. Yes. It's a style in itself. Come on. And let me just show you guys the length of the pony. So, hope you guys can see that. Yeah. Okay. So to install this ponytail, you guys, it's like so simple. I literally only used maybe 3 or 4 bobby pins. And that was pretty much it, because I do not like when ponytails, you know, I just don't like nothing heavy, like when I'm going to bed and the ponytail be feeling so heavy. So I just decided to use less bobby pins, because when I go to take the ponytail out at night, I don't have to waste time fighting and trying to find bobby pins and stuff poking me in the head. So I just take the ponytail out at night with the little 3 or 4 bobby pins that's in it, and I just put it back in the morning. But to each his own. You can use bobby pins. You can either choose to glue the ponytail in, whichever you feel the most comfortable with. But for me, I'm just going to use bobby pins because I like to take the ponytail out at the end of the day. So we're just going to wrap it around, as you guys can see. Wrap it around real tight. That way I don't have to use as many bobby pins. So I wrap it around my ponytail. Well, my actual hair, I wrap it around tight. And I just keep going up to the top. I put a bobby pin in place when I feel like it. But that's pretty much it. To secure the ponytail, like to make sure that it stays in place, I'm just going to take some of the hair and I'm going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail real tight. And then I'm just going to spray the end piece with some Got to Be Free spray. And then that's pretty much it. This style lasts me the whole week. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Position.